Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in Sem TVGH so what frame Adjoa searching.
Debia metete say atu Forson why magic atu Forson ni sumba da in the history of this country. A dear plan atu Forson yeah in 2017 yeah. Atu Forson aye dear mienu pe mienu the rest mienu no krano. You can only say because of the trajectory echo, inflation and stability of the city. Atu Forson, o compare no to Ken Ofori Atta in 2017. Atu Forson, Yabeka say Ken Ofori Atta needed to even be celebrated in 2017. Yabaye no. Ken Ofori Atta na ononso ebe inheriti economy na ewo IMF. Ken Ofori Atta ebe to overall GDP growth of 3.4%. Ken Ofori Atta a year like this now the economy na 9.1%. Atu Forson ebe to a GDP growth of 5.7. Ene 2025 GDP ni grow 4.1. That is a scorecard. Atu Forson obaye in the last 1 year on finance ni anasi teacher ni bako. Omo amuye ejuma as nurses and teachers for 1 year otu amuka 1 month. In 2017 yebaye no teachers and nurses are amuye ejuma 3 years 2 years and half yetu amuka 1 month no. Sa teachers no atu Ken Ofori Atta 8 years kan nyina. Esan for 30,000 teachers in 2017 alone. Esan tuya that arrears no. Atu Forson obaye social expenditure atu Forson why any say otopad man enkwala. 2017 around this time social expenditure and say enkwala ewo Ghana nyina eko free senior high school. So I don't understand. You see, Atu Forson a yadia NC die in the history of this country. What has he done? Afro barometer. First 1 year of Akufo-Addo Mukas wanya 70%. And 67. He is celebrated as a BBNC. Now saying Atu Forson baya ye 1.4 billion. Edi ama IPPs ama enkrofo celebrities say wow budget in 2025 uchre mu say Dr. Amin Anta etuya the same amount 1.4 billion. Why do you celebrate say adiana e wo ho na wo betu ye na obi etua wutua no? The NDC is engaged in only PR. Me nu e kan bibia
odeka esese wutua Osi debi o sika na me dibetu aka no me de bema radio fo me de bema radio fo na o ma cover me na even though say nipa na ebre no o nipa na ibre but me de ama radio fo into radio fo cover me na nipa na mre I will come there. Me say March next month Cocoa Board Bank of Ghana woman in now be a financial statement beba. Na mo behu ni say ye the $14 billion president ya na dwene ye adwuma no onko fa $14 billion say what they ko share obi currency ama na hete ono ankasa ne export na ebema niska no because they are all kwabontin akoton na diska brew they are all the bakro no mu no o sesa broni sika o de Ghana sika bebiri na o de ato broni sika kakra bi $1 na o de akokra ne ma kakra bi na wa beton na boden say ye ntumi anto ne ntem kra na aba be ye woka na enso wo man say wutumi ye bibi na o transport de ko abrochire no eno na diska brew John Mahama say o diska $14 billion ebe shem said ye be ya wuntumi fa wonyama nko abrochire nkoton onimi nyansa meba onimi nyansa mutie me say sabiti we say me tua nurse for ka Ese me tuya teacher foka. Ese me tuya koko foka. Na koko fo sika na aka metumi de ati omka na number 1. Makofa 14 billion. E de akosai dollar no. E na megina enu so ntima ka kire koko fo de se mintumi nti omusika mo. How many gains did we get? 3 cities. This America so onimu nyansa. Me pa acho enye didi atem. Eye ni suban ya wada na die. Ehu adanse na yedie. But let me come on the oral more. Oral ya. Okuja toye wo ho a kitchen scandal. Eno ye ya na ba akodi yesu no se mokaya. Yesu ablokwa na ye de ni paper mana court document or ye den obutu no se mokai. Mokai say okuja to ablokwa obutu court document so ma yen 7 document bia a believe dia bre no se mokaya. Ekowi a kire na ye nuanom all 18 for NDC. Se muni munkrofo American. Womunya fetri toto no kakra edidinya
life enyema enkoso wo Ghana na me amigina we me ka mo obi ate se obi ti se kwakuja to abrokwa obodo twe Sam George Kromfo Sami Jamfi and Malik Basantali so mutimi de me court for defamation case muli ni okromo a kabamo in fact omutimi mi ni po because your court archives ma and Kromfo Jamtro and the femu nipa afọ munwadi wo Ghana e ya mabuboy
no correct
o ma the femu nipa unnecessary obi anya o mo hwe share me share morning show back TV3 Obolo Sam George say na dem fu bi IT person no nim NPP for transfer dollars sika free Ghana eko Mauritius
yes
sika free Ghana eko Cayman Island just a wush countries obuba say sika no akwa ne transfer near the receipt ni Sam George or transfer near the receipt ni Sam George it is Sam George e wo information ni nyina many fellas 1 year twam and for Sam George ya allegation ni go omusu nyina ya nche ba akokra
yeah be
Oma ya do omudi transfer sika no Sam George mfa ba akokra emeto ho enti se na me ka kira wo se Sam George ministry no ogolo boys egua omo ya Ghana card eton di awedi edi oton Ghana card Sam George say yam for man sika enkosi national cathedral yam fancy aso Sam George atmenya sika oba within 1 year when sika dia koma asoli mi so omo fa mo omo structures enti mi busa say sa sorry ne dia bigger than national cathedral omo timi ka tira Ghana fo nyina say Ghana sika na akufo ado every year $58 million at the national cathedral ni yadi and na me no ka say on the tahuru ma conduct ye nyina no e tira say obi ani sika wo what is oma ba bontia be po obi acha
there be omo nka wasam kra bi say cathedral no on te kra so omo ka ho bi o
and so me no ka say family and friends amemu a omo atuzi akufo ado e wo mu no hwa friends Obolo Sam George ne yere classmate for 13 ayatuma Ministry of Communication ne yere classmate we kula de nyuniam classmate omuni na ayatuma o okuja to braka ne former girlfriend 15 years ago why ni diplomat wa mena jana aduma o ya Ghana aye ni diplomat enti wo hwe san kura we mo kuro no mo bo kuro mu a enne ukwa ya maame ma omu voter rage enso omu ya demonstration etia PTA ni school we maame mu betua sika ne mu betua de ambese me ka chema nse mu de mu fa ni se mu tususu wo Dr. Muhammad ba omi aba ba bi obi ade akru ni ebe bi ni ade ama no de aya aduma because they say ni ntimi nka hwe mfa ho ye wo kromo ani ade free SHS ba ye wura mahama oh, better times 2016 we feli poto and was young for Ghana for Fasika uncle for teachers man na the same question the teachers in Metrano no when your opportunity no better as I'm sure and you go paper no about team because answers ni now when team is a valid objective right mama I'm 1 year we failing
big time
objective questions no what you
are
not you never question
to be ni kra we hu
to be no
to be ni kra we hu
to be and wakati kokoso Chusubidi nurse for Nyakatia. Chusubidi teachers ultimately Omoka. Chusubidi Oko North Town and Shokra Nipa Ebino North Town Kuja Tabroka.
I but all DJ.
Ebino. Objectives no objective Chusubidi no Okacha Obisa Obamano. I borrow Oko farm Chusubidi one to me. Chusubidi and Koko Katenkati one to my farmer Chusubidi. Chusubidi, I would 24-hour economy, but what failing? President Mama, Nanny a theory now, Casana, light, electricity woman, and you do so bad.
To me.
It's yet to us a Siano, practical, Sonny there. Ghana, maybe as Uncle Generator and two. What objectives now? It's Yabesi drew to Lamunity.
Umbefili rough. Umbefili rough. Debbie.
And John, our first one. John, our second one. And then a paper will turn 20 and change question. Who sound fairly? Say, yeah, can you have a question for Biatua? Who can question a Kufa who be my winner? What you want to see? I won't
Ibrahim Mahama, Unisika said Yehunu. Everything about Ibrahim Mahama is your Mahama, dear. It's for your Mahama. After Yanko Hadia. Obakas asking we say when you can with him. Ralph no autocar man would display a wood Jim Ghana and so on Tiasia. Say we become Ibrahim Mahamat asem into him where our diaba. Namin Tuanos. Afini a doctor. You don't work on your call. Indian.
So to me, say nobody actually diago. And you see some of the things. These are some of the things that when you talk about it, they will say, "Oh, Ralph there or NDC, Ralph there or you then." Tell me if on your kwasia in a wojene Ghana one. You come and ask me, say a private owned business. We know, say Ibrahim Mahama no the kind of business he does. Owns international recognition, owns African recognition. Where your continent here, if you are to mention 5 miners, our more globally, the mining company account, and you ask me how much is a private jet? Kwasia, Onyesika o PDS, Scana Mocha, and your man, no, then the Akoto private jet. Onyesika, and your first Skytrain. Skytrain amokasa mu ye no na mwanye ebesin le sika ne yehu ye no enum inonya fie anumwa ye fa ne say kofia na no ho a to ye fa ne say anumwa ba
Ya so twem me ba Ralph o dimi gina so me ba mesa to wo channel pa me no so mahu the way ono se o san be di Ghana fo atem se se yen kwasiafo a Somati. Or say yen Ghana for ye young kwasiafo a enka ye badwin say obi ono ye private a business mine. Akoto player I didn't think ye see adwen ono ho. Na ebusan ba bi onya sika ne fi nti yen kwasiafo o man Ghana for. Yati. We sa aboa we e na ka kire yen say o man Ghana enipa ewo mu ne ye mmoa. Nti ebi wu ana ye den sa aboa ya. And or see, I didn't think that ye Casatia Ibrahim Mahamanti or no say ye a moi. Ralph say, a home class. Na omon kun, omon chown quanaswa. Na home new years. Ralph say, a home pie or my money Ghana home war. Na omon kun free yase and tamwa. Me say car na Ibrahim Muhammad Yaman. It be cool and one be quite actually. I swear. And what some head I shot video the amount. Can be quite actually. I was a car cool with John Cafrunsa. If you say we a man before. We wouldn't would is we say we wouldn't temporary as I see so. And Ubu one way you for going to me and sir. I'm telling you. Ubu wash it. We nipa bi a wasi a show nam ubi bi ese nipa a touch we a buffo pa wo sa nipa we be ka kire say na go gufo adu nua gabriel ote da ko abie radio station enti akufo adu nim nyansa we the kromfo ni wo faase wabo bra wo rafui wo se ni uni entimi fa ho to Gabriel Tidako obetimi ashow no abusuafo nyina wo raf ebeka kire yen se Nana de go for ne baba abie restaurant be din na ado atam sa atam de na wo de na wo se wo ye citizen of Ghana wo dwene Ghana ho nti no obi ba bie restaurant ya eye no me eye case oh minia ba me lofo ba ko ma jo apia thank you, God bless you ebe ye se wo ebeka kire yen se wo nya wo de Nana do ba na obie restaurant no eye nkwasiam wasem wo mani sika na wawiade ama ne ba Nana do banya contractor or ye painting you the same guy called Raf ebe ka kire yen se nye Jimmy no man say the okay ya o man na Jimmy a ka president ba de money e de money contract wona be kai enne thank you so much, I love you too, bro. But I say what also want to me check. I love you too. I love you so much, my dear. Enti senka we nyansafo na wonya boa me se car no a wotimu no sa be Mercedes na watama wonti wo be defending kwase defending e be kun be ton kwa na so one time quick enam kachiro Raf my obi en date nto na wo de me se wo fun yensie e wo se hwe duro be ene car ni na because se one free we asen tem a o man Ghana enkoso o mada we nipa bonefo papa say nkofo we nu bi say no ena ya na man nkofo bi e wo man no mu a wo fa kwanya edi nkofo bone wo de o wa no betim be keche na na do be di na na do kufu ado na na do penipeni we a se bi na jana so won fa so say wo ni kwasiampani no ene wo si kwasiampani no ese no mpo utim be di na tem se wo ye konfo cathedral uko bubu ho no man na tubuye se won ti ase na nado abeg people wo say your man sika enti wo estimamuni ye de usika kutu amana e ko fa nkofo ko say ho no man nyina you this guy and say ye ka tell say Ibrahim Mahama koto plane your man sika dia wo say ye moa ye nya moa say ye moa na nado obusuafo a wo ka wo asem kai ende omo de na nado se sika de ma wo ba John Dramani Mahama de ontimi mfesike mani nia se ahonhom wo man Ghana mu ye wo ho e operate ampa na omo show na wo ne nam se ya ama umpani fie so atu a na honhom ne o man no I'm telling you I was some cattle